XL2, number 2. So this aircraft was here to load the Airbus sub-assembly parts. As you can see, they are busy doing the checks, and the aircraft shall taxi shortly toward the runway. And yeah, here we go. That's a Beluga Airbus XL 2. Foxtrot Sierra Echo Lima Mike, I think. Far away I cannot read it properly, but then I will zoom in to check the registration of the aircraft. That's a Beluga Airbus that's a Beluga. Taxiing towards the runway 2608. That's a Beluga. As you can see it yourself. That's a Beluga. Airbus Beluga. Number 2. Beautifully taxiing. Just to remind you that this is the aircraft which does transfer the sub-assembly parts of the Airbus aircraft. And this is Henry Potez International Airport, Amiens in France. It's a Beluga taxiing 2608 at the runway. The runway which is going to position shortly the Beluga. There we go. There we go, standing, positioning. Beautifully positioning. That's a Beluga. Full Here we go, that's a Beluga. It's a Beluga. Full speed. There we go. Rotate. It's a Beluga every Wonderful, beautiful, 7A. That's a Beluga Airbus aircraft. That's a Beluga. Serving the sky. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.